Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pass Arena 3 in Clash Royale. First, use a balanced deck with a strong push card like the Giant or Battle Ram, alongside defensive cards such as the Mini P.E.K.K.A. and Goblin Cage. Crucially, employ a heavy spell like Fireball to counter popular swarms like Barbarians, and use support troops such as the Baby Dragon or Mega Minion for air defense and counter pushing. Some key strategies for Arena 3 include building a balanced deck. Combine your strongest win condition, such as Giant or Battle Ram, with cards that can defend effectively against common units like Barbarians and the Mini P.E.K.K.A. Control the elixir. Don't overspend elixir on offensive pushes. Instead, build up your elixir to mount a powerful push when your opponent uses a lot of their own elixir. Counter push effectively. When your opponent attacks and leaves some of their troops alive, use them as a base for your own push. Place your tank, Giant, in front of your surviving troops to get extra damage on the tower. Utilize your Fireball. This spell is essential in Arena 3 because you can take out Barbarian swarms that are often used to defend against a Giant push, allowing your push to connect with the tower. Strategic building placement. Use the Goblin Cage or Tombstone to pull enemy units towards the center of your side, protecting your towers from incoming attacks. And finally, manage your support troops. Avoid placing support units like minions or archers directly behind your tank, as they will often be wiped out by one spell. Split them up to avoid losing them all at once. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.